Your resume is your first chance to impress, so make it count. Here's how to craft one that truly stands out. Tailor it and keep it concise. Customize your resume for each job. Highlight relevant experience, use the right keywords, and keep it to 1 or 2 pages. Only include what matters. Start with a strong summary. Open with a clear statement that showcases your top skills and career goals. Focus on achievements and action verbs. Don't just list tasks, show your results. Use numbers to demonstrate impact, like improved efficiency by 25%. Begin each bullet point with strong verbs. Led, designed, implemented. Organize with clear sections and add personality. Include your contact info, summary, work experience, education, skills, and extras like languages or volunteering. Hobbies or interests can show adaptability and make you memorable. Keep it clean and proofread. Make it easy to skim. Stick to consistent formatting, clear bullet points, readable fonts, and plenty of white space. Double-check for typos and have someone else review it too. Save and label smartly. PDF is best, clearly labeled, like janedoe_projectmanager.pdf. Always follow any employer instructions. Finally, update your resume often. Let it tell your story with clarity, confidence, and impact. Discover more at careers.fortria.com.